In this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can send Grafana alerts on Microsoft Teams. So first of all, let's go to Microsoft Teams. And this is the team which I'm part of. So we need to create a channel. So I'm just going to click on more options and then click on add channel. And here we can give a name to this channel. So let's give this channel name as channel Grafana demo and then click on add. Now this channel is going to get created. You can see the channel is now created. So now you can see there is option of more in front of this channel name. So I'm going to click here and then we need to go to connectors. And in this connector, we are basically gonna just create a connector, and that connector is going to be called Webhook. So here you can see incoming hook. Okay, so this is the one which we need to select. Now click on configure, and this is going to ask you what is the name you want to give it. So we MS Teams notification. And if you want to upload an image, you can upload the image, else you can leave it as it is. Now we are going to click on create, and then this is going to give us this unique URL which we need to copy, and then we need to paste this in a notification channel which we are now going to create in Grafana. So now we are going to go to notification channels. Just save this dashboard before we move on. And now inside notification channel, we need to click on new channel, and this channel we are going to call MS Teams notification, and in the type we need to select Teams. So I'm just scrolling down searching for MS Teams. Yeah, we got Microsoft Teams, and here it is asking for URL. So we are going to paste this URL which we just received from here, and now we can click here on done, and it is saying we are ready. We can just close this one and we can just move on again to Grafana, and here now we can see we have put the URL. Now click on test, and if everything is okay, we are going to receive a test notification on MS Teams. So I have clicked on test, and here you can see it is saying test notification is sent. Now I'm going to go to this channel. You can see we have received notification. Okay, so it means now next notification if comes, it is going to be received on Microsoft Teams as well. So I'm going to click on save, and then we are just going to move on to this dashboard which was created, which is called system health. And here currently we can see it is already in a pending state, so we are going to receive an alert pretty soon. So let's wait for the alert. Yeah, we can see a red line appearing here, which means notification has been triggered, and we can go to here, and we are just waiting for notification to arrive here on this channel. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, we didn't really add, I just forgot to add the new notification channel which we have created. We also need to edit this, and we need to add that new notification channel here in the alert. So I just missed that, and I was expecting a new notification to come, which cannot happen for obvious reasons. So now we need to select MS Teams notification here as well. Now we need to click on apply, and we can also now change the settings of this alert, so we get a OK alert. I'm just gonna change it to some very high value, so this gets reset to OK, and then we are going to receive that notification on MS Teams. Now we can see we have received an OK event. So let's see if we have received it on Teams. Yeah, we can see we have received this OK event here on Microsoft Teams as well, which means now we are successfully able to send alerts on Microsoft Teams. So thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next lesson.